Treasury notes represent an important category of government securities that offer investors a balanced approach to fixed income investing. These medium-term bonds provide a middle ground between short-term Treasury bills and long-term Treasury bonds, making them attractive to a wide range of investors seeking predictable income with relatively low risk. Treasury notes, commonly abbreviated as T-notes, are marketable debt securities issued by the United States government. They have maturities ranging from 2 to 10 years. When you purchase a Treasury note, you are essentially lending money to the government. In return, the government pays you fixed interest every 6 months and returns your principal investment when the note matures. These securities are considered among the safest investments because they are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. Treasury notes are issued in 5 standard maturity lengths. You can purchase 2-year notes, 3-year notes, 5-year notes, 7-year notes, and 10-year notes. Each maturity option serves different investment goals. Shorter maturities like the 2-year and 3-year notes offer more flexibility and less interest rate risk, while longer maturities such as the 7-year and 10-year notes typically provide higher yields to compensate for the extended commitment period. Treasury notes have several distinctive features that make them attractive to investors. First, they pay fixed interest payments on a semi-annual basis, providing predictable income streams. Second, they are backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government, making them virtually risk-free from default. Third, the minimum investment is just $100, making them accessible to individual investors. Finally, Treasury notes are marketable securities, meaning you can buy and sell them in secondary markets before they mature, providing liquidity when needed. Understanding how interest payments work on Treasury notes is straightforward. The formula is simple: multiply the coupon rate by the face value, then divide by 2. For example, if you own a $1,000 Treasury note with a 3% coupon rate, you would receive $15 every 6 months. This equals $30 annually. These payments arrive like clockwork every 6 months until the note matures, at which point you receive your final interest payment along with the full principal amount. Investors use Treasury notes for various strategic purposes. They are excellent for portfolio diversification, adding stable, medium-term fixed income to balance more volatile investments. Many investors rely on them for income generation, as the predictable semi-annual interest payments can supplement retirement income or other financial needs. They are also valuable for capital preservation, protecting wealth with government-backed security. Additionally, Treasury notes help balance risk in investment portfolios by bridging the gap between short-term and long-term investments. The tax treatment of Treasury notes has both advantages and considerations. On one hand, the interest income you earn is subject to federal income tax, meaning you will need to report it on your annual tax return. However, there is a significant benefit. The interest is exempt from state and local taxes. This tax exemption can be particularly valuable if you live in a state with high income tax rates, as it effectively increases your after-tax return compared to other taxable investments. Treasury notes provide a balanced investment option for those seeking predictable income with government-backed security over a medium-term horizon. They offer maturity terms ranging from 2 to 10 years, making them suitable for various investment timelines. The fixed semi-annual payments provide reliable income, and the low-risk profile makes them appropriate for conservative investors or as a stabilizing component in diversified portfolios. Whether you are saving for a medium-term goal, seeking steady income, or looking to reduce portfolio volatility, Treasury notes deserve consideration in your investment strategy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.